Hello, I'm Dr. Juba Lemke. I'm a general dentist and naturopathic doctor and have been using the ALF for my patients since 2004. More and more parents are looking for minimally invasive, gentle and effective orthodontic treatment for their children. The ALF, as it mimics nature, is the answer to their quest. Patients are looking for providers. They are looking for you. And here are some compelling reasons why you as a dentist should take this online seminar. For one, it's always very satisfying to make a positive change in somebody's life. And we can do it by delivering ALF treatment because the ALF gives the patients more than just straight teeth. It addresses the whole body and really is a preventive health approach. This online seminar goes step by step over everything you need to get started. It gets down to the nitty-gritty details and you will gain ample hands-on experience. While taking the seminar, you get 1 full year of case support. You also can review the seminar material as often as needed, which will make all the difference as you digest the abundance of information that I will share with you. And finally, you can study from the comfort of your home. No expenses for travel and accommodation, no lost income because of being away from your practice. You determine when and how long you want to study. There's a huge demand for ALF treatment. If you want to learn how to master this deceptively simple appliance, this seminar is for you. So don't hesitate. Visit alternativeorthodontics.com for more information.